Hey traders, it's Timbo Irvin here. Welcome to another brand new week. Guys, we are gonna be trading this strategy today here on Forex Trading. Remember, Forex Trading can be an attractive option for millennials. So let's look into investing in the foreign market trading this strategy here. So the very first pair that I'm gonna give you today, guys, is going to be Euro USD. Boom! Look at what the market is gonna be doing, guys. This is the way we're gonna do it. So pay close attention, because this is, remember, the goal here is for you to trade this type of strategy here. I don't want you to pay attention to the real data, what you're gonna be learning today, guys. Let me select the box here. So what you're gonna be learning here, always pay attention to your dashboard. The dashboard is gonna give you your answer of what the market is doing in real data. Remember, we are trading the week of March 13th to the 17th, guys. We are already on the mid of March. So plus the time is gonna change this Sunday, guys, so make sure you change for spring break. Okay, all right, so always go back to your dashboard. The dashboard will give you the answer. Remember one thing, guys, when the market is bullish, you will be getting these green stairs telling you the market here is only going in one direction, and boom, market goes up. When the market is selling, you will be getting this red stair here coming down and telling you, yes, the market is only selling, and boom. Now pay close attention what it is our dashboard letting us know in advance. I haven't shown you the real data, guys. Haven't shown you the real data. Look at the dashboard. The dashboard is giving you the answer. That's why this forex trading can be attractive option for millennials looking to invest in their money on the forex exchange market, trading, you know, learning the rule how to buy and sell. So this is what I'm gonna be teaching you guys today, how to make profit on the market, looking into the real data. All right, so because real data is all it matters to us. So let me delete all this stuff because I really don't want to confuse anybody. Now let's go ahead and analyze the real data, because real data is all we care. Remember what I said at the beginning, guys. Always looking for hours and daily, giving us the answer. Oh, market is going where? It's telling us that we are going bullish. Look at here, multiple time frames here. Boom. What else is the TW sniper entry doing? Boom. Look at the stairs. The stairs is brand new. It's just forming there. And market is only going in one direction right now. It's only going bullish. Now, therefore, how far is the market gonna go? In my opinion, market is gonna come back and retest this previous multiple time frame in here. From there, market is gonna do a small retracement, retesting your 23.6 Fibonacci, and once again, market will continue on the buy position. All right, so that's what I want to teach you a different way today, guys, so everybody can learn and see what the real data is doing. Because all I care, look at this green line. Someone asked me, hey Irving, what is this green line representing here? This is a potential of the market going bullish all the way to 420 pips. So the question is gonna retest this previous multiple time frame in here. The question is, are you ready to grab this 420 pips here? Yes or no? That's why forex trading can be an attractive option for millennials looking to invest their money on the forex market. So involving in buying and selling different currency in order to make profit, guys. You need to be trading and have your portfolio in a different pair, because it's very important, super important, you know, on the forex trading. As everybody know, it has become a very accessible and affordable, making an appealing investment opportunity for millennials who are comfortable with technology. So this market here is super easy to trade, but everybody needs to be on following the rules. All right, so let me show you the next pair that I have for you guys. The next pair that is gonna blow your mind, guys, is going to be USD JPY. Boom! Look at what JPY is doing. Don't look at the real data, because look, look, the goal here, guys, is for you to look what the market is doing ahead of time before you see the real data. Look at here. What is the dashboard telling us here, guys? The dashboard is telling us that we are already looking for sell position on USD JPY. Are you guys ready to make money coming down, guys? This is one of the main advantages of Forex trading for millennials, guys. The ability to start with a small investment and you grow it to whatever you want, but you need to be disciplined. Discipline is everything. Learn, play, and profit, guys. By learning and playing out your trade first, figure out where to enter, where to exit, why are you going to put your money in that pair. Ask yourself that question: if this is the pair that I want to trade. If not, you know, take a step back and don't get too excited on the pair. Don't get too emotional. Things, you know, things happen. That's why it's very important to learn, play, and profit. Once you analyze your dashboard, boom, it tell you, hey, I'm in a sell position. Remember, when the market is selling, you will be getting this red stair coming down. When the market is going up, you will get the multiple time frame and the stairs. Look at here, stairs going up, going up, going up. But the dashboard is letting us know, hey, Irvin, we are in a sell position. Now let's check if that is true. Let's go ahead and give it a round of applause, guys, because look at here, guys. Look at the dashboard. Look at the multiple time frame in the dashboard. What is the story telling us here? You saw it. You saw it ahead of time. Market here was coming down. It gave you the answer before you look at real data. Look at that green bar that is in the middle, guys. Look at this green bar. It's telling us the market has potential to keep dropping down all the way to your Fibonacci. How many pips is that gonna be? Let's do it together. That the market has a potential opportunity to drop almost 700 pips, guys. This is the way how Forex trading you can start with very little as $100, making it more accessible to people who may not have a lot of money to invest. Additionally, guys, Forex trading can be done online, which it make convenient and flexible for millennials who has busy schedule, guys. This is what I'm seeing here, guys. This is what I'm saying. Market here is telling us, hey, Irvin, look at the very first stair coming down. So in my opinion, market is gonna make a small retracement, retesting your 23.6 Fibonacci. From here, guys, this is what I'm expecting to see in here. I'm expecting to see a red arrow right at this area here and letting me know, hey, Irvin, we are gonna be dropping in this area here. And guess what? Are you guys ready to make the money? Because there will be opportunity coming down, and guess what? From there, boom, market will be dropping to your 50 Fibonacci level. Why 50? There is previous multiple time frame. Look at these touches: touch 1, touch 2, touch 3, and touch 4 will be here. From there, market will do a small retracement. So what are you guys gonna do, guys? What are you guys gonna do? If this is your learning, play, and profit, guys, this is the time. The time here is to make money trading with rules. Remember one thing, guys, I'm not your financial advisor. I'm not giving you any signal, nothing like that. This is for educational purpose. If you want me to teach you how to trade, let me know. There is a link on the description of this video, guys. For $9.99 you will be seeing me behind scene, and we are gonna be doing one-on-one. You want the one-on-one to be only for you? That is fine, because last week I did what, five one-on-ones, but they didn't want those one-on-ones to be shared. It's fine. If you want to keep it confidential just for you, and then I will send you the video, that is fine too. Whatever it worked for you, it worked for me. Because however, it's important for millennials as well to approach the Forex trading with caution, guys, and to understand the risk that is involved on each trade. So all right, so let's go ahead and let me show you the next pair that I have for everyone. So let me know in the comment below, guys. If any of you guys have any question or whatever is in your mind, please let me know, because I'm doing it different. Don't look at the real data on the next pair, guys. Look what the market has to tell us, the story behind on the dashboard. The dashboard will give you the answer. So the next pair that I'm gonna give you guys is going to be GBP USD. Boom! Look at this magnificent pair here, guys. You know what? I'm super excited today, guys. And bear with me. I always come excited when I'm teaching you guys the Forex market, because it's my passion, guys. My passion, teaching you how to make money in trading with Rule. All right.
Oh yeah! Oh yeah!
Because to be honest, guys, I really don't want to see anybody blowing their account. If you are gonna be blowing your account, you're gonna be like, and you guys gonna hate the business. Look at the dashboard. What's the story behind here, guys? What is the dashboard telling us here? Look at here. It's giving us the answer. It's straight up. It's telling us, hey, we are going up. That's what it's telling us. We are in a buy position. So you already know what the answer is, right? But the question is it true? Is it really going up? I'm not making it up, guys. The market is always gonna be right, guys. Forex trading is a highly spectacular and volatility market, and losses occur here and there. That's, hey, if you know how to risk management strategy works, is very important to learn that as well. Because this, if you don't know how to, guys, how to trade with risk management, then you will be blowing your account. You're gonna get mad. You will be like, all right, so let me show you the real data. So all we know here, guys, the market is in a buy position. The question is it true? Irving, show me. All right, let me show you. Look at here. Look at here. Look at the dashboard, guys. It gave us the answer, right? It says, Irving, wait. Market is going up. What are you guys doing? All right, so here it is. Now, let's confirm it. What's the multiple time frame doing with the dashboard? I'm sorry, with the TW sniper entry. Look at here. Look at the potential that we have here. There's a potential for the market to go all the way up to 409 pips on GBP USD. What do you guys think? Guys, this is it. Now, Irv, what do you think the market is gonna do the week of March 13th to the 17th? This is what I think the market will do, guys. Market will continue going up, retesting your 50 Fibonacci. Why that level? Because that level is a key level here. So market will come back. Look at how many touches. 1, 2, 3, 4 more touches will be there. From there, market will do a small pullback, retesting your 23. A lot of you guys say, Irving, why are you saying the market will come back and do a pullback, retesting your 23? Because the market will be doing a correction into that level. Look in the past, guys. Multiple time frame ones, multiple time frame 2, multiple time frame 3, multiple time frame 4, multiple time frame 5, and boom, market will be coming to our 23.6 Fibonacci, and from there market will only go in one direction, and that direction is only bullish, because we are gonna be collecting those coins, guys. That's what we are going to be doing. So we're gonna be collecting pips and what? And pips and a lot of pips. A lot of pips. All right. Any question, guys? Any question, guys? If you guys want me to teach you, let me know, guys. Remember what I was saying, guys. It's very important for millennials to approach the Forex trading with caution, guys, and to understand the risk that is involved on each trade, guys. Overall, Forex trading can be a valuable investment option for millennials who are willing to put their time and effort to learn about the Forex and develop of the sound trading strategy. All right. Therefore, I'm gonna give you one more pair, and the next pair that I'm gonna give you guys, it is going to be what? It's going to be gold. Boom! Look at what the market is offering us on the dashboard, guys. I don't want to show you the real data yet. I do not want to show you the real data. Look at what the dashboard is telling us here. It's giving us the answer. Oops, I grabbed the wrong thing. It's giving us the answer, guys. Look at here. Look at here. Look at the dashboard. It's telling you, hey, gold is bullish. Do you guys remember when I told you when the market gave us, I think I told you somewhere in here, the market was going to be in a sell position and we all came down. Did you guys remember that? You guys also remember when the TWE was just forming and the stair, I think we had like only like 2 stairs or 1 stair. I just don't remember exactly, but all the stairs here was not there. I called this trade out and I said that gold was going to be in a sell position. Now I'm calling gold to go in the opposite direction. Now gold is going to be in a buy position for the remainder of this month. That's what I'm seeing here. Now it's time for me to prove you the real data. All we know here, guys, is the market here is in a buy position. That is all we know. However, it's important to know and to do your research and seek the advice of a financial professional before you make any investment decision, guys. Because I'm not your financial advisor. I'm not giving you any signal like that. Trade with, just be careful. If you don't know how to trade, let me know and I will be teaching you on the rise. But all right, so let me show you the real data so you can see it. Look at this beautiful trade here. There is opportunity here, guys. There is a massive opportunity here. Look at here. Let me see if I can grab this. Look at here. Multiple time frame is here. TWG sniper entry is here. So we already have confirmation. Market is going in a buy position. Look at the trend. Where is the trend heading? Boom. Trend is going up. What is the dashboard telling us? The dashboard is telling us the exact same thing. So look at the stairs. Stair 1, stair 2, stair 3, stair 4. Market is going up. How far is gold going up? Gold is since the market is gonna go to your 1890.90. So market is gonna go to your 50 Fibonacci level. Look in the past, there's previous multiple time frame in that level. From there, market will make a small retracement, which is a retracement, I mean a pullback, right? Coming back down to your 23.6 Fibonacci. Look at the previous touches in there. Touch 1, touch 2, touch 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 touches will be in this area on our 23.6 Fibonacci level. And from there, boom, market will be continue going only in one direction, because the market here, guys, it is only going up. So the question here, guys, are you guys ready, guys? Are you guys ready to make the right investment for this coming week? Be careful. Trade, but always do your top analysis, guys. Do your due diligence. Don't fall on scammers, guys. Do your own work. Don't pay for signal. Learn how to trade on your own so you can be a very successful trader, guys. I want to thank everybody for being here. God bless you. God bless the world. God bless each and every one of your family, and God bless our beautiful nation, the United States of America. So I will see you guys back on the next side of the aisle. Boom! Let's trade with Team with Urban. Boom!